Hey y'all, welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be frying up some festival. All I'll be using is 3 simple ingredients. I have the festival mix, some cold water, as well as some oil to fry them in. Stay tuned. Today's video is going to be a quick and easy one. This is the brand of the festival mix that I'll be using, and here are the instructions. According to the instruction, this is very easy to make. I'm going to empty out the festival mix into a bowl. I'm going to add 7 ounces of chilled water, and I'm going to mix it until it forms a soft dough. Once I've formed that soft dough, I'm going to cover it with a paper towel and leave it on the counter for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, I'm going to gently knead it, and then I can start to form the festival. After I form the festival, since I won't be using my deep fryer, I'm going to allow this to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to remove it and place it on a paper towel, allow it to drain. It doesn't get any easier than this, making this festival using this festival mix. Before I get further in this video, I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Stay tuned for the next video that will upload on Saturday, where I'll show you what I paired this festival with. It's not really a cooking video, or more of a watch what I cook. Again, thank you for stopping by A Taste of K here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.